Hey guys, thank you so much for joining our show. Welcome to episode 8 of the Azure Files. It's so good to get all the feedback that we've had in the past from you guys, and thank you so much for sending your emails through to us that we read every week. It's definitely kept us here.
Very busy. Very busy.
I've been busy.
Cool.
So I think the way I like to always start off the show is by just quickly talking about the shirt.
The shirt. Cool. So as you can see, Matt wore Superman a few episodes back, so I thought I'd counter that with the Batman. And he's going to say, why Batman, Othelo? Well, if you look at what Batman does, he's got all the cool stuff. Best gadgets, best tools. Same as Azure. Best gadgets, best tools. I see you wearing the Black Panther.
I'm wearing Black Panther, yeah. There was quite a bit of craze going on in the market when it was launched, and I haven't actually watched the movie, but I got the shirt, so...
Okay. Apparently the Flash shirt moves a lot faster than the Black Panther one, but that is just hearsay. I can't confirm or deny.
That is such a comical joke. All right, I think let's get straight into the question of the week.
Okay, so Juice in Durbanville says, I'm really enjoying the podcast. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Juice.
Yeah, thanks.
He says he's done a bit of reading about using pre-built platforms and the benefits they offer. It surely can't be that simple, however. Am I missing something? Well, it actually really is that simple.
Yeah, it definitely is quite simple. I mean, I do understand that there are a few complexities with moving to platform as a service. It is still quite a very modern thing at the moment, and what I quite enjoy about it is that the whole serverless computing strategy to modernize the IT workforce with inside businesses and organizations is really, really cool, and I've seen a lot of benefits from moving to these platforms. Apart from things like SQL as a service, which is probably one of the most commonly used platform as a service models in Azure at the moment, we also have things like web apps and mobile apps that we can just deploy into spaces like Microsoft Azure without deploying physical servers or virtual servers or servers.
But just looking at that, so Matt's a millennial, and if you've seen him start up a normal machine to install Windows and SQL, how frustrated he gets. When he did platform as a service, I've never seen a happier guy ever. It really is really simple to get up and running as quick as possible.
Yeah, I mean, platform as a service has been phenomenal. I think some of the workloads that we've deployed there so far have not been so simple when we start exploring this. I think preparing to move to platform as a service is a lot more, it's a lot more in depth than just lifting and shifting a workload.
There's a lot of back-end work that needs to happen.
Yeah, and essentially the strategy behind moving to platform as a service is to modernize the workflow of the business, to modernize the way that we administrate certain applications, the way that we modernize the back-end stuff. Is really coming into play now, and it's saving a lot of time. It's optimizing a lot of applications.
Cool, yeah.
It's really making the speed, accessibility, and deployment of these workloads really, really cool.
And the cool thing about that is Azure will handle all the updates. For instance, SQL as a service. So, and really efficient and really does what cloud is supposed to do.
I think we also look at these kind of things on a single use case basis.
Yep.
But if you took the amount of time an administrator spends time building a server to run IIS to deploy his web application, and you times that by 10 or 50, and then times that by a year, that's quite a very big time saving inside an organization. And with that time saving, we could then find things to help modernize the applications. So I think it's definitely more complex than a lift and shift, but it is really simple once it is in there and it is working.
So yes, I hope that does answer your question, and it is pretty simple. As you guys know, we normally finish off with a geek fact of the week, and Azure supports everything as a service, so database, software, platform, IIS, so it's all catered for.
Yeah, a platform as a service, once again, just really streamlines a lot of things. Takes servers out of the equation. And I like it around with what we do a lot of dev testing and stuff like that. And dev testing, that really, really saves us a lot of money as well. So it really is cool to be experiencing this with platform as a service.
Cool. Yes, again, hope that answers your question. If it doesn't, pop us a mail and let us get in touch with you.
Yeah, let us know. We don't mind helping you and assisting you with maybe moving a workload that you've got into the cloud. I mean, we don't mind doing this. We actually deployed one of your your games the other day.
That's in an episode coming down the line.
Okay.
Guys, thank you for watching. Any questions, please let us know. And please do not forget to subscribe.